Greetings from Southern California. This is Peter Burns of the Entrepreneur Credit Card. We are meeting because you reached out and applied for funding. And the odds are, if you're getting this email, you were not approved, or you decided not to avail yourself to our wonderful funding. I want to tell you that only 10% of the people that originally reach out for funding from our Entrepreneur Credit Card are accepted, because the minimum threshold is about 700 FICO score and some other requirements. So I was forced to create an Entrepreneur Credit Card credit repair facility, which allows people to repair their hard-won credit and then have a chance to reapply. So please do take advantage of the offer you have here on this email. Reach out, send the information, we'll follow up with you, and we will help you. This is my pledge to you. We will do the very best to let you join the ranks of entrepreneurs in this country, which I consider the foundation, the backbone of the United States. Learn about me at peterjburns3.com. Good luck, God bless, and happy 2019.